Today, I want to share with you how you can really impact your son in a very positive way. But there's some things you are going to have to change. You see, you have to stop cursing your boys. Cursing at and cursing them. Oftentimes when I meet or have met a parent, or I've seen it in a grocery store, and we say things because the system has conditioned you in yourself as a parent to see boys in a negative way. We say things like he's bad. We never question the fact that we chose the bad person to have a child with. But we say things like, oh, he's mean. My son is bad. He can't do this and he can't do that. You're the very voice that's beginning the detrimental damage to your sons. You have to evaluate what you're telling your sons while teaching your sons. Everything must line up for your boys. Your words, your deeds, and your actions must line up with your boys. You have to know that even the Bible says you can't speak both ways. Right? In one mouth, you say how you love God. In the next mouth, you say how you devalue, speak negatively toward your son. Boys require the same amount of encouragement that girls get, in the same way. But if you're not teaching a boy and you're assuming that a boy will evolve, you're failing the boy. Remember, the most important part of raising a boy is the words you choose to describe him daily. Stop cursing your sons and use words like, you can do it. You are valuable. I'm so proud of you. And keep encouraging your sons, and they will give you more than you ever imagined. Peace.